Hello and welcome back to Android Tutorials. And in this video I am going to show you the resources where you can find an best illustration. So this video is about the best illustration resources that you can find for your application, website, landing page and many more for social media and for your advertisement. So in this video I am going to show you the illustration website resources of 5, means 5 websites where you can find your illustrations. So let's begin. So in my list the first website is Freepik. Yes, Freepik you can find a best illustration about your work. So here you can see that we have search for office illustration and they give a result about this, and we can also search for its categories. So office people characteristic, charac- characters and all that stuff. And you can also download these images, and some of them are paid and some of them are free, so you can check out as per that. Now let me tell you how to find it, and I will give you all the timestamp in the description, and with that I am going to give you the link of this website soon, so watch till end. So here you can see that here is one illustration, and now I am going to search for Android. So we will get an illustration about Android. Yes, so you can see as per that. Now let me show you our another website. So next website is Icon 8 Ouch. So Ouch is by Icon 8, and you can see that here we also get an better illustration for our websites, applications and landing page. So here is at home, so let us search for that. Yes, so you can see that, and you can also find a particular style for your illustration. So here let us take a taxi. Yes, so we will get all the illustration here, you can see this. So we will get a large amount of collection of illustration by Ouch. So my next website is third, which is Andro.co. So here we will find the unlimited illustrations. So when I scroll down, another illustration is continuously loading. So you can also check out this website for your need. Okay, next illustration website is Ira Design. It's gallery illustration. So here you can see that all the designs, and you can also download this all its owns, and you can download or view its gallery for a particular image. And if you want to make your custom illustration, then you can search for here background. So from that you will get the all background ideas, and you can download it either by PNG form or by SVG format. So you can also find an objects as well as you can also find. So here is sofa illustration, coffee cup illustration, pigs, computer and many more illustrations. And you can also find the illustration for your characters. So here is the resource for the characters illustration. Now next website is DrawKit. So you can download the whole pack only in this, and the file format will be SVG only. And let us see its illustration. So here you can see that their illustration look like this, and you cannot find only this much illustration, but if you want more, then you can move to its home page and scroll down. Here you will find all the illustrations pack. So here there is another pack, so you can watch out all this pack. So this was the 5 page where you can find your best illustration, and last is 6, which is a bonus for you, that is many pixels. So here you can see that their works is here, and you can find the amazing illustration for your website or application link. So here you can see that all the illustrations, and if you want in uh, outline mode or too flat, then you can also find that. So let us add isometric. So here is isometric example also. So if you really enjoyed this video, then please make sure you like and share this tutorial, and if you want the animation illustration with animation website links, so you can comment me down, I will give you. And soon in this channel I am going to make one complete tutorial of 1 or 3 hours, where we are going to build an food application from splash screen to order. So we are going to make one tutorial on that. So to get the notification, you can subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press bell icon. Thanks for watching and read tutorials.